Let's talk about Periscope. Periscope is a live streaming social app acquired by Twitter, which lets users broadcast and explore the world through live video and social interactions. As with anything, Periscope does have its pros and cons. It's very simple to set up, making it ideal for impromptu streams on the go. It's also very easy for followers to interact and like a video, comment, invite others, or exchange links, and you even have the ability to broadcast to specific people. Possibly the best feature, you can broadcast for as long as you like with no limit on stream duration. On the flip side though, sharing direct Periscope links on Twitter exposes the stream to a larger audience and increases the potential for spam comments and trolls. The default viewing setting for Periscope is public, so this makes it very hard to control access to the stream. There's also been many reports for technical glitches during the broadcast, and streams are only available for replay for 24 hours after the initial broadcast ends, after which it's deleted from your channel. Lastly, Super Hearts, more on that later, provide a limited opportunity for monetization, and you're not even able to use your viewers from Periscope as a target audience for future paid media campaigns. So now Periscope comes with its own set of unique features. Sketch is the ability for a broadcaster to draw on broadcasts in real time by using his or her finger on the screen of their smartphone. Interactive viewing is the ability for viewers to heart the streams that they like and interact with the person streaming the video through comments and chat function. Periscope Producer is a feature that allows Twitter partners to broadcast higher quality content through external cameras and software, also supporting the engagement elements found on Periscope and Twitter with minimal setup involved. GoPro and drone integration is the ability to broadcast on Periscope from a GoPro or drone camera by connecting the two apps and devices through Wi-Fi. Saving is the possibility to copy broadcasts to your device automatically or manually. Replays are videos broadcasted on Periscope that are saved automatically. You can choose to have them available indefinitely or up to 24 hours after the initial broadcast. The map view is a feature for exploring videos being broadcast in different parts of the world through an interactive map, allowing users to search for videos by location and find streams of particular events taking place. Broadcast search is a tab used to discover broadcasts that are suggested or search specific broadcasts by tags, location, or username. Finally, Super Hearts are an interaction that viewers can purchase to monetarily support their broadcasters. When you give a broadcaster a Super Heart, they can accrue a star balance through Periscope's Super Broadcaster program, and select broadcasters can redeem their star balance for cash. To start broadcasting on Periscope, download the mobile app to your device. Once opened, the app will ask you if you'd like to create a new account or log in. If you select log in, you will be asked to select which existing account you'd like to link to Periscope, the obvious choice being to link to your Twitter account. Once you select which account, if you're already logged into that account in the corresponding app on your device, it should prompt you to connect and show terms language. After you click connect, click the center button in the bottom navigation toolbar and you will be prompted to enable your device's camera, microphone, and location before you can start a broadcast. Once they are enabled, you can select your audience, type a description, select which social platforms you'd like to syndicate to, Twitter will be selected by default, and then go live. So now let's talk about the elements for creating a compelling live stream. Have a storyline. Make sure you're providing value. Show behind the scenes aspects and have clear video and sound. The best case scenarios for broadcasting on Periscope include capturing live commentary around political debates, capturing live action demonstrations, doing live conversation around global events, community-focused discussions, customer feedback and customer service, a product unveiling, fashion shows, car races, tutorials, and more. Live broadcasting requires special attention to the audience as they are the ones for whom you're broadcasting in the first place. To keep them interested and entertained, follow some simple rules. First, create high-quality, on-brand content that people want to see and that they will associate with your brand. At the end of your broadcast, they should be able to know exactly which company was broadcasting. Excite your audience with behind-the-scenes content and interviews with key company stakeholders and influencers. Giving the audience a value proposition or unique reason why they should watch will create excitement even before the broadcast has started. Run contests. During your broadcast, you can interact with your audience. Running contests is a great way to engage them, especially with promo codes to redeem on your website. This can be made during the broadcast via comment section or by asking them to retweet your Periscope to increase engagement and organic impressions. Utilize influencers and Periscope takeovers. Invite celebrities or influencers from your industry to participate in your Periscope channel and broadcast special content for your brand. This will increase your brand awareness and drive traffic to your broadcast. Announce your Periscope account on other social media platforms and website with links to your account. In order to get a large audience, it's necessary to promote your Periscope on Twitter, but also leverage your other social media before it starts. For instance, you can plan a small one-week campaign to promote your upcoming Periscope broadcast, telling people when and why they should attend and how to watch. Lastly, integrate with offline marketing channels. As talked about before, using television, street marketing, mentioning an account name in the press, having signs with your account name and retail locations will be great ways to integrate into your offline channels. Just as for organically promoting your Twitter account, promoting your Periscope account will increase your audience and followers, ensuring people know that you're on Periscope and how they can find you.